Hi friends, I'm Kalani and this is an unboxing of the Peripole Gold Recorder. Let's see what is in the bag. So you see you get this nice blue bag, zippered bag, and it's a high quality bag. It feels great, sturdy, well made. You get the Soprano recorder, of course. We'll look at that in a second. You also get the patented halo hanger. We'll look at that in a minute as well. And there's a special feature that makes this unique. And you get your cleaning, your swab that you can use if you want to run a cloth through the recorder. You get some extra lubricant for the joint. And then there's a few pieces of paper in here. Let's just look at these quickly. So this is just about the recorder in general. You get this information sheet, but also the feature on here is this thumb dot. You can use this, you peel this away, and there's like a Velcro, piece of Velcro there, and you can place this on the back of the recorder body, and it helps with thumb placement. So that's really handy. Another feature, of course, is the fingering chart, and this is super handy. It just shows you all the fingering combinations, the diatonic scale, the upper notes, lower notes, and upper notes. And then on the back of this, you get all the sharps and flats for the lower notes, sharps and flats for the upper notes, and then even here, some for German fingering, sopranos, you get some alternate fingerings there. So you're completely covered in terms of the fingerings for all the notes, which is awesome, because I know sometimes we forget and we often learn the basics, but it's nice to see all the fingerings there. And then this is a information sheet on the alto recorder that you can also get, that also comes with the halo hanger and all the other goodies. So let's look at the instrument more closely. This is a two-piece recorder, comes apart very easily. And you can clean it, of course, and then the lubricant, this is for this joint here. You don't need much on there. It goes together really well. The halo hanger you could put on like this, and that just goes there. And let me go back to the front view. So you can wear the recorder, your students can put the recorders on, they always have it ready. They always know where it is, so it's there. And then a special feature of this is the breakaway clip, which this is a safety feature. And you can see that this just clips together easily. But if there's if somebody has a issue where something, the recorder seems like it's going to get caught, it doesn't pose any problem because it's a breakaway. And the final thing, I'm going to take this off again. So the final test is, how does it sound? And I'll do more playing in other videos, but I'll give you a quick sample now, and I'm going to switch mics. So beautiful sound, well-made instrument. You can find more at peripole.com. I'm Kalani. Thanks for visiting me in my music studio. I'll see you soon.